What's the meaning of caring? Caring. Caring.
Caring. Caring. Caring is a feeling or attitude of concern and compassion towards others. It involves actively expressing empathy, understanding, and support for someone in need or distress. Caring can manifest in various ways such as listening, offering help, providing comfort, or simply being there for someone. When people feel cared for, they tend to experience greater well-being, trust, and connection with others. Caring behavior can help strengthen relationships, promote positive emotions, and contribute to a more empathetic and compassionate society.